everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea.
Callie.
This is Callie, and today, as you can see, we are in the kitchen. It is a magical menus video, and we're going to be teaching you how to make a stupendous grilled cheese from Woody's toy box, lunchbox. I never call it the right thing, ever. So, and this is in Hollywood Studios in Walt Disney World.
Mama, how do you take off your eyelashes?
Well, these are my eyelashes.
How do you take them off?
What do you mean I don't take them off?
Sometimes I see you changing your eyeglasses.
When I wear my fake eyelashes? Yeah, that's true. But these ones are mine, so these stay on my eyes. You like them? Okay, let's talk about ingredients. Callie is going to show you the ingredients in the camera while I go over them, okay? So we're going to start with the cream cheese spread. So we need, no, that's not the correct one. So we need cream cheese. Can you show that to the camera? Thank you. You need, we have heavy cream. Can you show this one?
Heavy cream.
There you go. And you need some salt.
And some salt.
For the garlic spread, you need Callie's favorite ingredient. And then I made this earlier. This is garlic butter. It's just a compound butter, but you could use garlic by itself, also with salt, and be fine. We have some artisan bread. Hey buddy, that's not safe. Can you show everybody the bread, please?
Hi.
Thank you. You're going to need a couple of different kind of cheeses.
This is gonna be not very common.
We have cheddar, we have goat, nothing fancy. We're living off of what's happening inside the stay-at-home order. So this is what's in the fridge. We also have some butter for the frying pan and some pepper. Okay, so we're gonna start by making the cream cheese spread. I need a bowl. I'm gonna need your help, my love, to stir this up.
Hi, Hawaii. This is Callie.
So we're actually...
This is my mama, Chelsea, and my daddy is...
That's true. That's true. So this is for 4 people, this recipe. So we're likely just gonna be like kind of in between the measurements.
But can I have a teensy bit of cream?
Of just cream cheese?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, yes.
You can have a little. Let me get my measuring cups here.
I'm trying to pick up this counter. There's too much stuff on it, that's why.
Oh yeah, you think that's why? So we're actually making these grilled cheeses to go with a homemade tomato soup, right? So we're starting with our ½ cup of cream cheese, and I'm just scooping it.
Wow.
Okay, so this needs to be mixed with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream.
Is that heavy?
No, it's... Shake it a little. Here, why don't you... Do you want to help me? Be the big mixer for this?
Mm-hmm.
So we've got our...
Can I have that spoon?
Yep, I'm just going to actually use it to measure.
Can I have that for 1 minute? Just 1 minute.
So I'm just going to use my tablespoon and this little guy. Measure. All right, and then Callie is going to stir those together. It is very, can be hard to mix together, huh? It's okay. So strong.
I can't pick up you or this counter or that fridge.
I know. Okay, so here's our super messy cream cheese spread. Just a blob, really, of all dairy products.
Dairy. Dairy.
All right, Dairy Queen. You're a Dairy Queen. Okay, now we're gonna do our bowl, right? And we're gonna do the garlic spread. So this is a full cup of mayonnaise. Okay, so I only did half a cup and I feel like that's more than enough. And now I'm gonna take some of my garlic butter that I've just had out to soften a little bit. Just taking about a forkful. I know that's specific. We're gonna mix that. It's a little easier to smush than the cream cheese spread. Pro tip, leave your ingredients out for a little bit before starting to cook. That way everything comes to soften. And we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Are those hands clean? Doodlebugs? Uh-oh. Okay. Here we go. All right. We are on to the good stuff. Want to put your ears on, baby cakes? So here's where like Disney gets fancy.
Whoa,
They say, lay out some parchment paper. Okay, I mean, we are not those people. No, again, trying to eat all the ingredients. No, thank you. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get out our bread.
Daddy gonna have me.
I don't know what Daddy's gonna do. We'll make him one anyway. Now these are super tiny, so we're kind of gonna like stack them up. We're gonna, let's see if we can grab a cutting board, shall we?
Hi, how are you?
That should work. Or just bread, so fancy. Okay. 2 slices of cheese. Now we're getting into our cheese. So I put our, I'm just gonna tilt you down a little bit. Ooh. Okay. So now we're gonna put little pieces of cheese. Gonna kind of fold them up. Where are you going, bud? Okay, Callie's gonna go upstairs and play. And then I am gonna spread a little bit of goat cheese on the other side. I think mix of cheeses here is like what you want to be doing. Yeah. Goat cheese is one of my very favorites. Love how crumbly it is. Melts awesome. You could use like different kinds of cheddar, really whatever like makes your heart happy. And really whatever you have available to you at the moment. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna take our very messy cream cheese spread and we are going to spoon this over the goat cheese side. This is why these are so good. We have 80,000 types of cheese. So whenever we're in Hollywood Studios, this is becoming like our go-to lunch spot. We used to have different places that we would go for lunch and there was never anything that we loved. Like we went to the commissary. We do love sci-fi but prefer it for dinner until Woody's arrived. And the food there is such high quality for like such a kids movie. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean when I say that? I like their Pop-Tarts. We've had the raspberry kind, and when we went in November for the holidays, we had like the holiday apple cinnamon tart kind. So good, so good. I'm actually gonna go in with a thicker layer because I have so much cream cheese spread here that why not use it? Let's get crazy. And I'll probably make another round of these sandwiches after because these ones are really tiny. Okay. Okay, so now we're about to press the sides together. Oh, I see. Okay, so now we're gonna push these together. How you doing, Doodle Bugs? You just saw Daddy? Okay, we are now gonna take the garlic spread.
Wow.
I know. So now we have, hey babe, oh, you have a cute little bow one. Where did that come from? Now we have our little sandwiches pressed together.
Oh, jeez.
And we are going to take our garlic mayonnaise spread and like put that on the outside. Okay, that's right.
Why?
It's gonna taste amazing, I think. I've never done anything but butter on the outside of a grilled cheese, and I feel like I'm a pretty good grilled cheese maker.
Yeah, better than like Shell.
Better than Shell?
Yes.
Sorry,
She
Shell.
never like makes pancakes.
She
doesn't
doesn't?
know how.
Okay, so we're gonna heat up our griddle. We've got the big boy out today.
Big boy.
And of course, we have our little ham flipper.
How you doing, nice?
You look very nice, like a little bow tie queen.
Can I go see Daddy?
So we're gonna let our griddle get really hot here. You could also use like a pancake griddle. You know, there's all kinds of options here. So I popped the timer on for 2 minutes. I didn't need my butter because the garlic spread serves like that exact purpose. So that's what's happening right now. They're just like, they smell amazing. My mouth is watering. We are using our brand new camera to film this, so it took us a little while to get set up. So it's like 50 minutes past our dinner time. So probably should have planned that better. But you know, we're going with the flow here. We're going with the flow. This is the mess behind the scenes. Time to flip. Got ham here. Okay. I'm scared. Oh mama. Oh yeah. Those are juicy brown. Callie doesn't like a crispy top, so I might flip hers earlier. That garlic spread though, so good. Okay, no, they don't look pretty in the pan, but let me show you. Yes, okay. Oh, sorry, just set that timer for 2 more minutes. And then hopefully things will be ready. I'm gonna grab some Disney mugs for our soup. So Callie says she's not gonna have any soup, so I'm gonna put Marc's in this mug. This is like traditionally his mug. Mine is similar, but it's green on the inside. Like we've had these for maybe a decade. And then I'm gonna put my soup in little Chip. Okay. Okay, I'm actually gonna take Callie's off right now. I'm gonna put hers on the plate. Actually, should I cut it? No, I'll put it on the plate first. I wish I was like somebody who knew how to style food, because right now it just looks like a big blob of melty. That's exactly what I want it to be, but I don't think it's gonna be like beautiful on the plate. All right, Ham. You ready? Oh, Woody's Lunchbox, you're doing it right. I'm not sure I'll ever be able to make a grilled cheese another way ever again. Get that. Thank you for cheese. Get over here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna clean this plate up and pretend like I'm a professional YouTuber. Thank you, timer. Okay. Let's get into some better lighting. Let me show you the truth. Oh yeah. Does this speak your name? Does this speak your name? The full recipe will be in this Wednesday's email, so you should probably subscribe to the email. It'll be linked below in the description if you haven't done so already. Okay, we are gonna plate these with our soup, and then I'm gonna have Mark insert a clip that we're probably gonna take on our cell phone of the taste test, okay? And Callie is back, miraculously at the end to do the eating part. Yeah, okay. All right, friends, thank you so much for being here. We really hope you make this recipe because it is awesome. I'm gonna confidently say so without even biting this. It just looks delicious, and we'll do the taste test after. See you next week.
Yeah.
Is it good? Just what I wanted to capture. Is it good?